because I have very strong jawline. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today you're in the bathroom with me. Also, I am blonde. I got my hair fixed the other day because I have some photo shoots coming up and my managers were kind of freaking out because my hair was still green. So today's video I wanted to show you guys my new daily makeup. I have been wearing this throughout quarantine. I've been kind of experimenting new kind of natural looking makeups and I just think that it suits my face a lot better. I've done my skincare, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this Radiant Tint Moisturizer. As you see, I've used it a lot. It just creates a nice like illuminating base underneath your skin, and that one's in soft vanilla. I just put like one drop and it goes like all over. I don't know why, but like lately I've been having this constantly like a spot here for the last couple of months. It could be hormonal, but I'm like nowhere near my period right now. I know I want to put a really thin layer of BB cream. I have been using this BB cream for longest of times. So I like to warm it up on my fingers. So I'm just gonna spread it all over. And I like to use my fingers. Next one that I'm going to use is this concealer, and it's Don't Settle by Kaja. And what I'm gonna do, because my main issues here is obviously my eye, that I get dark circles, my pimples, and the redness around my nose. So one thing I discovered is not to put it directly here because it will just cake right there. So I'm going to put like on the side. I've always had like this redness around my nose because of my allergies, but it hasn't been that bad. And then right here, obviously here. And then what I do is I just use my ring finger and I pat it and I go up. And then every time I come down, I just bring the product that was on my finger and I bring it more down every time, you see? It doesn't give you those like wrinkles.
I really just want to enhance my features.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say, and then still there's gonna be some sort of product on it and I just like to lightly tap that. Just gonna pat. Okay, I have a little brush with a spoolie and I'm just gonna brush everything. I have been asked what I do with my eyebrows. I stopped touching it like since I started modeling. When I still lived in London, I used to go to get threaded, but now I'm really into like full eyebrows. I wish it was even fuller. I have this new palette by Shuimura in collaboration with Maison Kitsune, and I really like this palette. So these are the colors. What I like to do is I like to lightly wet the tip of the brush like that. You don't want to drench it, just slightly wet. And then the dark one that I showed you guys, so I like to just tug on this a little bit and I'm going to draw all the way and extend it just a little bit. And I'm going to do the same on the top. Just gonna brush it all through. I just think that having the eyebrow just like really helps keeping it like completely snatched. I'm using the Givenchy Healthy Glow Powder. I'm using like this kind of dented brush. I like to just give it a few little swirls like this. I do start like here. At the same time, it illuminates my skin. So I go here and then down here on my chin because I have very strong jawline. And then you can put like a little bit on the top of your nose, and you can take the same powder, put it all over your lid. And this time I'm using this kind of fluffy brush. Another new item that I've been using the past 2 months, Givenchy blush, and it's called the Prisme blush. Look at those colors. I'm using this brush, which it's kind of pointy in the edge. People do it right here, but I don't like that. But I do find that for me, it's just better to have it a little bit more up. You can put it on the tip of your nose or on the top here, as if like you just went out for some sun. The brush that we use for the eyebrow, I'm just like cleaning it. This kind of terracotta matte eyeshadow, and I'm going to dip my brush. This time it's dry completely, it's not wet. This is the trick. I'm gonna tap it off a little bit. So I'll do this with my eye. I'm going to create a little corner here. And I always focus here a lot because it's really important. Now I look like I just came out of the 60s. And that's it, you're done.
No, I'm kidding.
Then we go back and we get the fluffy brush again. This is why it has to be really fluffy, because you're gonna stay here for like a good couple of minutes just twirling. I'm going to go in circle motions inwards. So this eye goes this way and this eye goes that way. I don't know, I feel like there's like a little like cat eye. And then again with that same brush, I'm going to go back to the same one that we used on my eyebrows. This time again it's not wet, and you're gonna just do, and then again with a fluffy brush. Honestly, I only need these two brushes in my life. I'm going to get my Schuermutter curler, which I desperately need to get a new one because I feel like it's not doing its job. I'm gonna go in with a mascara, any mascara you prefer. I'm gonna use this sleek makeup highlighter, and I just brush over like both of them like this. And then the final thing that I do for my makeup is my lip liner. So this is a Makeup Forever lip liner, which I need to sharpen. I like to go a little under. And then I'm gonna smudge it. I'm going to put on a moisturizing lip balm. I don't know what this brand is called. My friend gave it to me as a gift, and at first I was kind of like skeptical. I was like, what is this? But I put it on and I really love it. I don't think it actually has too much of a color when you put it on. You see, it's really sheer. And that's basically it. Mainly when I am at home recording, I do like to have this kind of face. I know people are probably thinking like,
how is your hair not falling off?
Because you dye it so much. I take really good care of my hair. Like, I can do a whole hair care routine, I guess. It grows really fast as well. So this is the final look. This is what I wear every day or most days. I really like it. It's really cute, really simple, really easy to do. Anyway, I hope you like this kind of video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah!